In this video here, we're going to show you how you can use the slice tool to remove an object from, this castle here. The first thing that we need to do is we need to have a square. We got this from the shapes over here. You can click this, add a square, and I'm going to go ahead and simply unlock it, and I'm going to go ahead and adjust the size. The thing that I want to remove is this little ornament on top of the house. I want to go ahead and remove it. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here, and this will help me adjust my square. So I'm going to go ahead and line that up and try to line it up parallel with the roof. And then the next thing that I need to do is I need to select both the house and the square. And since I only have these two items on the screen here, I'm going to go ahead and click on Select All. Now there are rules with Slice, as we've learned before. Slice can, in order to have the Slice button available to you, it cannot be in a group, it cannot be attached, it can only be 2 layers. So as long as we pass those rules, we are able to use the Slice button. I'm going to go ahead and click Slice. And now I can go ahead and take this, I can remove it, remove this part, and then this part. And that's how you can use Slice in order to remove an object if that's what you want. Okay, so that's Slice, isolating an object to remove to be, a little more unique to your design.